Chapter 8. Working with MS Paint. Paint is a special program for drawing and coloring on the computer. The Paint program has many tools that help us to draw and color the pictures on the computer. Opening the Paint program. To work in the Paint program, we need to open it. The steps to opening the Paint program are: 1. Type Paint in the search box. 2. In the search result, click Paint. This will open up the Paint program window as shown below. Parts of the Paint window. The main parts of the Paint window are detailed below. Components. Title bar. Description. The topmost bar is called the title bar. It holds the program name and the file name. 2. Quick access toolbar. It has buttons to do common tasks. 3. Minimize button. This button is clicked to hide the Paint window temporarily. 4. Maximize button. This button enlarges the Paint window if it is small in size. 5. Close button. This button is used to close the Paint program. 6. Tabs. Tabs are placed below the title bar. Each tab holds various commands in groups. 7. Ribbon. A ribbon opens up when you click the tab. Each ribbon holds a set of commands which are arranged in groups. The home ribbon opens up by default in the Paint program. 8. Canvas. The white area in the Paint program is called canvas. On the canvas, we can draw, color, and edit the images. Using tools. To use any tool, simply click on it. The tool will be selected. 1. Move the pointer to the drawing area. 2. Press and hold down to left mouse button and drag it to draw the picture. 3. When the picture is made, release the button. Remember, to know about the tools, move the mouse pointer over the tools. Their names will be displayed. Using the pencil tool. The pencil tool works just like a real pencil. It is used for freehand drawing. Here are the steps to using the pencil tool. Step 1. On the Home tab in the Tools group, click on the pencil tool. Step 2. Click on the down arrow under size to choose the thickness of the line. Step 3. In the Colors group, click Color 1 and select a color of your choice. Step 4. Drag the mouse pointer to draw the required picture. Release the mouse button when the drawing is complete. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase an entire drawing or any part of it. The eraser erases whatever it touches. Here are the steps to using the eraser tool. Step 1. On the Home tab in the Tools group, click on the eraser tool. Step 2. Select the eraser size from under the size key down list. Step 3. Drag the mouse pointer on the drawing where the image is to be erased. Remember, a larger area would need a larger eraser. So you may change the size of the eraser as per requirement. Fill with color tool. The Fill with color tool fills colors in closed images. If there is even a small gap in the shape, the color will spread over the whole canvas. The steps to using this tool are as follows. Step 1. Draw any closed shape on the canvas. Step 2. Click the Fill with color tool. Step 3. Click on any color to select it. Step 4. Bring the cursor inside the image and press the left mouse button to fill the color. Color Picker tool. The Color Picker tool picks a color from one image and fills it into another one. The steps to using this tool are as follows. Step 1. Click the Color Picker tool. Step 2. Bring the pointer on the shape from which you want to pick the color and click on it. Step 3. Now bring the pointer back onto the image or part of the image in which you want to fill the picked color and click on it. The color will copied from one image or image area to another. Text tool. The text tool is used for typing text in the Paint program. The steps for typing text are as follows. Step 1. Click on the text tool in the Tools group. Step 2. Bring the cursor on the canvas and click on it. A dotted text box appears on the screen and a Text Tools tab opens up. Step 3. Select the size for the text by clicking on the font size. Step 4. Select the font for the text by clicking on the font type. Step 5. Click on any color to select the color of the text to be typed. Step 6. Now click in the text box and start typing the text. Brushes in Paint. A brush tool in Paint is just like a real painting brush. It draws a freehand lines of required thickness. The steps to using a brush are as follows. Step 1. Click the arrow below the Brushes tool. A list of brush strokes appears. Step 2. Select a brush stroke. Step 3. Click on any color to select it for the brush. Step 4. Now drag the mouse to use the brush on the canvas. Line tool. The line tool is used for drawing straight lines. The steps to using this tool are as follows. Step 1. Open the Home tab in the Shapes group. Click on the Line tool to select it. Step 2. Click the Size option and select a thickness for the line. Select any color for the line by clicking on a color in the color list. Step 3. Bring the cursor on the canvas, click on it and drag the mouse to draw a line. Saving a drawing. It is very important to save your drawing after finishing the work. Once it is saved, you can reuse it anytime. The steps involved in saving drawing are: Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Select the Save option from the drop-down menu. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Step 4. Click on the Save button. Opening a saved drawing. To open an existing picture in Paint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Select Open option from the drop-down menu. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the name of the file that you want to open in the File Name box, or select the file which is to be opened. Step 4. Click the Open button. Now the file will open in Paint window. Now you can work on it again. Exiting from Paint. To close Paint, we click on the File tab and choose Exit option from the menu that appears. Another way to close or exit the Paint program is to bring the pointer on the Close button and click on it. If a file has been saved, you will exit from the Paint program. Otherwise, Paint will ask you whether you want to save the file. Click Save to save the file, or click on Don't Save to exit from Paint without saving the file. Sum up. We can draw and color on the computer using the Paint program. The drawing area or canvas is the area in the Paint window where we can draw and color. The Tools group in the Home tab has many tools which are used to create drawings. The pencil tool is used to draw like an ordinary pencil. The eraser tool is used to erase an entire drawing or a part of it. The brushes tool contains brush tools with different brush strokes. The Fill with Color tool is used to fill colors in our drawings. The Eraser tool helps us to erase a drawing or any part of it.